Managing diabetes involves making mindful food choices, and fruits play a crucial role in this balancing act. While some fruits can spike blood sugar levels, others are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them ideal for a diabetic-friendly diet. Among the top picks are berries like blueberries and strawberries, known for their low glycemic index and high antioxidant content. Meanwhile, some fruits need to be avoided, especially if you're diabetic. So, let's get started on what to eat and what to leave. Starting off with 9 fruits you should be eating. Each of these fruits offers a unique combination of nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants that support overall health and can aid in preventing diabetes-related complications. Remember, moderation is key, and balancing these fruits with other nutritious foods can help maintain a healthy and enjoyable diet. 1. Apples. Apples are a great fruit choice for people with diabetes due to their high fiber content, particularly in the skin. The fiber helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. Apples also contain essential vitamins, such as vitamin C and antioxidants like quercetin, which support overall health and help reduce inflammation. Moreover, apples have a low glycemic index, making them a safe and satisfying snack. Including apples in your diet can contribute to better heart health, weight management, and a reduced risk of diabetes complications. 2. Avocados. Avocados stand out because they are low in carbohydrates and high in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats. These fats can help improve insulin sensitivity and promote heart health by lowering bad cholesterol levels. Avocados also provide a significant amount of fiber, which aids in blood sugar regulation and promotes a feeling of fullness, helping with weight management. Additionally, avocados are rich in vitamins and minerals, such as potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects cells from damage. 3. Blackberries. Blackberries are an excellent choice for those managing diabetes because they are low in sugar compared to many other fruits and high in dietary fiber, which helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. They are packed with vitamins, such as vitamin C and vitamin K, and antioxidants that support overall health and help protect against various diseases. The fiber content in blackberries also aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. Including blackberries in your diet can enhance your nutritional intake while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. 4. Cantaloupes. Cantaloupes are a hydrating fruit with a moderate glycemic index, meaning they have a more gradual impact on blood sugar levels. They are rich in vitamins A and C, which support immune health, skin integrity, and vision. The fiber in cantaloupes contributes to better blood sugar control and aids in digestion. Additionally, cantaloupes provide important minerals such as potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. This refreshing fruit can be a nutritious addition to your diet, offering hydration and essential nutrients without causing significant blood sugar spikes. 5. Oranges. Oranges are well known for their high vitamin C content, which is crucial for immune function, skin health, and overall well-being. They have a low glycemic index and are high in fiber, especially if you eat the pulp. The fiber helps slow the absorption of sugar, making oranges a suitable fruit for diabetes management. Oranges also provide a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health. Additionally, the antioxidants in oranges help reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. 6. Peaches. Peaches are a delicious, juicy fruit that can be included in a diabetic-friendly diet. They are relatively low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, which helps manage blood sugar levels. Peaches also offer essential vitamins such as vitamins A and C, along with minerals like potassium. These nutrients support overall health, boost the immune system, and help reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications. The antioxidants in peaches, including beta-carotene, help fight inflammation and protect against cellular damage. 7. Pears. Pears are excellent for diabetes management due to their high fiber content, which can help slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. They have a low glycemic index, making them a good option for keeping blood sugar levels stable. Pears are rich in essential vitamins and antioxidants, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and copper, which contribute to overall health and well-being. The fiber in pears also aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut, while their natural sweetness makes them a satisfying and nutritious snack. 8. Plums. Plums are another great fruit choice for people with diabetes. They have a low glycemic index and are rich in fiber, which aids in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Plums also contain essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium, which support overall health. The antioxidants in plums, including anthocyanins and phenolic compounds, help reduce inflammation and protect against disease. Additionally, the natural sweetness of plums can satisfy cravings without causing significant blood sugar spikes. 9. Raspberries. Raspberries are a top pick for a diabetic-friendly diet because they are very low in sugar and high in dietary fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. They are packed with vitamins, such as vitamin C and vitamin K, minerals like manganese, and antioxidants that support overall health. The high fiber content in raspberries promotes satiety, aiding in weight management and preventing overeating. Including raspberries in your diet can enhance your nutritional intake while helping to keep your blood sugar levels stable and supporting overall health. Now the 8 types of fruits you shouldn't be eating. 1. Sweetened dried fruit. While dried fruits may seem like a healthy snack, many are deceptively sweet because food manufacturers add white sugar after the drying process to counteract any bitterness. For instance, a quarter cup of dried cranberries can contain 28 grams more sugar compared to fresh cranberries. This added sugar can cause significant blood sugar spikes, making sweetened dried fruits a poor choice for people with diabetes. Always check the ingredients and avoid those with added sugars. 2. Fruit cocktail. Fruit cocktails might appear nutritious with their mix of peaches, pears, grapes, pineapple, and cherries. However, many canned versions are packed with corn syrup and added sugars, increasing the sugar content by up to 33%. This can lead to unwanted blood sugar spikes. To enjoy fruit cocktails safely, look for those labeled "no sugar added" or make your own using fresh, high-fiber fruits. 3. Fruit snacks. Popular with kids, fruit snacks often come in candy-like gummy forms. While they may contain some real fruit puree, they also come with added fruit juice, corn syrup, and sugar, all of which can spike blood glucose levels. Additionally, their sticky, waxy consistency makes the sugar hard to remove from teeth, increasing the risk of cavities. It's best to avoid these sugary snacks to maintain stable blood sugar levels. 4. Fruit juice. Although fruit juices are packed with nutrients like vitamin C and potassium, they are not ideal for people with diabetes. Even the 100% real juice and no sugar added varieties lack fiber, which is crucial for slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Without this fiber, fruit juice can cause quick and significant blood sugar spikes. For a hydrating alternative, try fruit-infused water instead. 5. Fruit smoothies. Fruit smoothies might seem healthy, but they often lack the fiber found in whole fruits because they are made with water and natural sugars extracted from the fruit. This lack of fiber can lead to rapid blood sugar increases. Bottled or pre-made versions are often worse, with added sugars that exacerbate the problem. To enjoy smoothies without the glucose spikes, Blend your own at home using whole fruits and minimal sweeteners like half a banana. 6. Canned pineapple. Canned pineapple, especially when packed in syrup, contains high levels of added sugar, up to 27 grams per serving. Even those canned in their own juice can be problematic due to the natural sugars present. Fresh pineapple is a better option, containing significantly less sugar and nearly 5 times more vitamin C, which can improve insulin sensitivity. Opt for fresh pineapple to better manage blood sugar levels. 7. Yogurt-covered fruit. Yogurt-covered fruits may seem like a healthy snack, combining the benefits of yogurt and fruit. However, these snacks often contain added corn syrup, sugar, and palm oil. Unlike a bowl of fresh yogurt with fruit, these treats can cause unnecessary blood glucose rises and contain saturated fats linked to cardiovascular disease. It's best to enjoy fresh yogurt with real fruit instead. 8. Frozen fruit. Frozen fruit can be a convenient and nutritious option since it's harvested at peak ripeness and flash frozen to preserve nutrients. However, some manufacturers add extra sugar before freezing. This added sugar can lead to blood sugar spikes. Always check the label and choose brands where fruit is the only ingredient to ensure you're getting the healthiest option. As you prioritize your health, be sure to check out our sponsor, HealthKick. We offer an array of products to support your wellness journey, including health awareness and support items as well as fitness gear. Visit our store at HealthKick Store to discover their range and take a step towards a healthier lifestyle. Stay informed, stay proactive, and take control of your health. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.